Hello, today I'll be walking you through performing a DFU restore. The DFU restore is a more extensive factory reset that could potentially resolve firmware issues. Firmware issues can lead to enrollment or configuration problems. I recommend confirming with a MaaS360 technical support professional prior to performing a DFU restore. To begin the DFU restore, plug the device into a computer using a USB cable. Please ensure that your computer has the latest version of iTunes if you're using Windows. If you're using a Mac with Catalina or a later macOS version, open Finder. Activating DFU mode on your device may differ depending on the model. For iPhone 8 or later, press and quickly release the volume up button. Press and quickly release the volume down button, then press and hold the side button until you see the recovery mode screen. For an iPad without a home button, press and quickly release the volume button closest to the top button. Press and quickly release the volume button furthest from the top button. Then press and hold the top button. For an iPad with a home button, press and hold both the home and the top button or side buttons at the same time. On your computer, you should see a prompt indicating the restore or update options. Click on Restore to begin the process of the restore. This process can take up to 10 minutes if you already have the correct firmware for the device being restored. You may be prompted to download the firmware. Wait while your computer downloads the software for your device. If the download takes more than 15 minutes and your device exits the recovery mode screen, let the download finish. Then, repeat the steps to get the device in DFU mode again. Like and follow for more helpful videos.